I know I look a little bit disorganized. It's because it's Sunday and it's clean up day, and I was going to clean up, but I decided to do the meal prep first because... Hey munchkins, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to be doing meal prep Sunday, which is a new thing that I'm introducing every Sunday. I want to be sharing recipe videos with you guys to help you lose weight, because as you guys know, this is a channel that helps you lose weight and motivates you to reach your weight loss goal. I'm on my weight loss journey too, which you guys already knew. I was and kind of stopped and slacked because I was working on other projects, and you know, no excuses. Let me not even bring that as an excuse. I decided that I'm going to practice what I preach, because after all, I'm very good at helping people lose weight, but I haven't been listening to my advice that much. So I'm going to listen to my advice, because if you want to achieve anything in this world, you have to be part of it, and it has to be you, it has to be at the core of you. So because of that, I want to live my best life, and that includes me being healthy. As much as I like weight loss, I also like to be healthy. During the week I'm normally busy, and I find like making food takes a lot of my time, so I've decided to do this whole meal prep thing, and mostly because I want to keep my calories in check. I've been eating a lot of bread. I'm still within the calorie deficit. Eating bread kind of makes the process slower, and I've been craving sweet and salty, like two different extremes, which explains what I'm about to make today. I know I look a little bit disorganized. It's because it's Sunday and it's clean up day, and I was going to clean up, but I decided to do the meal prep first because I'm going to mess up the place anyway. So what's the point of cleaning then messing up then cleaning? So I decided to just cook first and show you guys, and then I'll do the cleanup after. That being said, I'm not going to share all my meals, because my kind of meal prep is different. I just kind of cook in batches, and during the week mix it up differently. I get bored with food so quickly. But today I'm going to show you one big meal, and then the rest is just stuff that I'm going to cook up to just be in the fridge and always ready for me to eat. So for breakfast this week, I'm going to probably have celery juice. If I'm not having celery juice, because I alternate between celery juice and my other drink, which I'm going to share with you in another video. I'm making it right now, but I cannot show you right now because the video will be long. So be sure to check that out on Wednesday, maybe Wednesday or Thursday midweek it will be out. But so on days when I have that drink, I will probably have a smoothie or omelette and spinach, something with high protein. I don't know what it is, but just to find out what it is, just follow me on Instagram, and I'll update you on whatever it is I'm having during the week. So I'm going to weigh myself to see how this meal plan is going to work at the end of the week. So for breakfast, I told you what I'm going to have. For lunch, I'm probably going to have a lot of green salads, which I do not want to make right now, because also salads like kind of, you know, they're not nice when they're not fresh, so I like to make it fresh. Follow my Instagram page to see that and to, you know, just be motivated. I'm going to leave my handle somewhere on the screen. It's going to pop up. Anyway, I'm talking too much, so let's get started. First, I'm just going to make some bolognese sauce. Because I want the beef to get the flavor while it's cooking down, I'm just going to flavor it right now. I'm just going to add some turmeric, some ginger powder, not that much, and then I'm going to add some basil powder. Still, it's not that much. It's not coming out as much as it looks. And then some freshly ground pepper. I like peppery food. Also, I'm not giving you quantities because for everyone it's different. And then I'm going to add some paprika, salt, and last but not least, curry powder. So you have to be careful with the curry powder because it actually has the strongest smell. So just un peu, and that's about it. Just mix it a little bit. I'm just going to make the meat cook through a little bit. Just close it, and later we'll add the tomato puree. Let it simmer. While it cooks, we're going to make these sweet potatoes. I know they are large, aren't they? So these, we're just going to cut them into small pieces and steam them. Rosemary. So the noise in the background is the noise from the oven because I put it to bake at 400. It's preheating. And then here I just added a little tomato puree because I don't want to put all of it. I don't want the base of the bake that we're going to make to be so soggy, so I just want it to be a little saucy but not too much, you know. And then I'll add the sauce after to make the sauce for the rest of the week. While the beef is cooking down, we are going to go ahead and make our cauliflower rice. Over here we just added some olive oil, and I'm just going to flavor the olive oil. Sorry, not cauliflower rice, cauliflower, just cauliflower, so that during the week we can just have it with whatever. Just going to saute some onions, garlic and chili. Salt, some pepper, lemon, I'm just going to turn the heat down and let that cook very low, just a little bit, because I don't want it to cook so much. During the week I'm going to keep reheating it. I just flavored it and that's it. Now the sweet potatoes are done, so you can see you can do all of this at the same time. My beef is cooking over here, the sweet potatoes, so I'm just going to take these off because I think they are ready. So I love the flavor of coconut oil, so in here I'm going to add a teaspoon of coconut oil, freshly ground pepper, just a little salt. You can puree this, but I don't want to puree it. I want it to be a little bit chunky, so that's why I'm going to just use the masher. And then olive oil, not to stick. Oh my god, the sweet potato lasagna looks so good. So I'm going to have this with a salad or avocado. So I hope you guys enjoyed Meal Prep Sunday. I'm going to be sharing more of my meal prep videos and tracking of my progress, just to motivate you guys and give you guys a few tips. And I hope this was really helpful, and if you found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget, if you tried any of these recipes, to tag me. I would like to see how your recipes turned out. And subscribe to my channel and ring the bell right next to it to be notified the next time I upload a new video, because I upload new videos every week. And finally, don't forget to stay motivated, be patient, trust the process, and as always, spread the love, guys. See you guys next time. Bye.